Hello guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete your Apple ID. For that, first of all, open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, go to www.apple.com on your search bar. This way you can easily go to Apple's website. Now scroll down and there you'll see the option of account. Tap on it and then tap on Manage your Apple ID. To delete your Apple ID, first you'll have to log into your Apple account. Enter your Apple ID and your password. And when you're done, tap on the arrow. Now you'll receive a verification code on your phone number. Enter your verification code. After you log into your Apple account, there you can see the option of data and privacy. Tap on it. Under data and privacy, you'll see the option of manage your data and privacy. Tap on it. After that, you'll have to scroll down and at the end, you'll see the option of delete your account. Under it, you'll see request to delete your account. Tap on it. Before you delete your account, you must know what will happen to your account when it is deleted and what you must do before deleting your account. Select a reason why you want to delete the account and then tap on continue. If you choose to delete, you will lose access to your App Store and media purchase, and if you have subscriptions, they will be cancelled. Tap on continue. And at last, before deleting your account, you'll have to read your deletion terms and condition. Tap on small square if you have read and agree with the condition, and then tap on continue. Choose how to get account status updates and select continue. Now you'll receive an access code, note it down and then tap on continue. Enter your access code to confirm you have it and click on continue. Scroll all the way down and there you'll see the option of delete account. Click on it. After you tap on it, you'll receive an email from Apple. In this mail, you can see that for security reasons, Apple will have to verify all requests before deleting any account, and this process may take up to 7 days. And your account will remain active while a verification is in process. You'll have to sign out from your device before your account is deleted. Scroll down and at the end, you'll see the option of sign out. Tap on it. It will take up to 7 days to delete your account. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Social Nerd.